Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So this is my cousin Sashana. You've seen her plenty of times before. Let me grab this book because it's gonna get hot in here, okay? We're going to no, but we're really hot. We're going to DM a bunch of Jamaican celebrities.
Only doing Jamaicans?
Yeah. And if you hear anything in the background, we're outside and we can't control that. So I'm going to put the screen recording up somewhere that fits perfectly on the screen. So yeah, let's jump right into it. I'm gonna start screen recording right now. And then I'm gonna go to my Instagram. Make sure you guys are following me at Bicana Brown and Sashana876 and at 3 a.m. No, but we're really hot, so if I'm fanning, please just ignore that. It's hot outside and we turn on the light to get a better thing. So the first person, and that was Lydia. That's like that. The first person,
Jada Kingdom.
Jada Kingdom?
Yes, let's do her.
Alright, so we're gonna do Jada.
Let's say
like I said,
if you were to weigh a bumper, how many pounds would it be? Is it really that heavy?
do it now.
Alright,
you can't see. She's going like I can't read. This one's lighter. You like that one though?
That's what I'm gonna ask you first.
Alright, you know Jada have this song and Sarah bumper heavy, so we're gonna find out if it really heavy, you know? That sounds weird, that actually sounds creepy.
Heavy.
This is weird.
They're supposed to be weird.
Alright, go on, send it. Alright, who's the next one that we can go to let's go to popcorn.
We can start with yow.
Right?
And then we'll go.
How you spell that? Yeah.
Yeah. Yeah. Or that look like Yoey. It's like wow, but with Y. Yo.
Music. St. Thomas. No. COVID 19.
Sometimes I turn off the outside light here for me.
Yes, me I try to do something. What me I do not important. Danine, turn on the outside light, please.
What? The light is for the video.
I'm to turn it off? Yeah. Keep it on. I'm to turn it on. What is that?
Here says St. Thomas not having the COVID-19. Send me now. And then the emoji.
That's funny. I was going to say like something with popcorn and eating butter and something. Alright, who else? Let's do...
Oh shoot. It stopped recording.
Let's do Dexter Baps.
Dexter Baps? Dexter Baps now. Here you do it, man. Sweat. I'm actually alright. Cool. The girl Brighty, but you're still in prison. Blink twice. What? That's weird.
You're supposed to be weird.
No, that's not
funny.
That's not even a funny weird. That's a weird weird.
That's a funny one.
Can we text Andrew or send Andrew was it Prime Minister?
Him changing.
Honorable? Is it honorable? It should be honorable.
Yeah. At one point it was Burger.
But no, and it changed it back.
I say it's honorable.
Andrew Holners.
What was it something with sense?
Bro, God. Why pre for the coronavirus? I don't know.
It's a program.
Oh my God, I'm sweating so
What was it? This is something as it relates to actual informative question.
I didn't ask.
But I know, Jesus.
Oh my God. I could just be serious.
You download the Kim, is that the Kim emojis?
No, these are iPhone emojis. This is mine. This is mine.
I don't have that.
So we said you can read. Alright, who else? Who next? I'm gonna send one to Shensia.
Yeah, Shensia.
Oh, I gotta send it to Shensia.
I'm gonna say
The dance video, this pregnant girl dance to the video. Like, how long time I'm gonna send this? What to say? I don't know why I'm sweating so much. Something wrong with me. But like I said, it's hard though. It's actually harder than it looks.
I have something but
What have to say?
No, I'm not gonna say that's not a video. No, I'm not saying that.
Just type it then.
No, I'm
Alright,
not
tell
gonna say
me.
that.
Tell me now. Why?
I don't want these stars to hit me.
Okay, but we have to come up with something. We're wasting time.
Alright, cool.
We're gonna say. What's one of her new songs?
I know foreplay, but I'm not new. Can I tell you how many tips for a big booty?
The side eye that we would get.
Let's look at our page real quick and see what we can use for inspiration. First on you. Ugh, it's so hard. Question mark? I love how you ignore me and then continues right to right there. Since we're in lockdown. It's a tweak. Oops. Autocorrect. Alright, who next?
Who do I have on the thumbnail? I have Spice.
Oh, you Spice me.
Yeah. Well, we're going to say Spice. So I guess since Easter just passed, you want to give me some spice, bun and cheese?
That's funny. That's funny. With that. Hey.
I'm done? I'm done? No. We sent one to Spice, so we said since Easter just passed, you want to give us some spice, bun and cheese? You know where it's funny, right? Horny. Next.
Now you want to join
Beanie Man.
Beanie Man? Who was someone to Beanie Man?
What am I going to say?
Zaga Zaga Zaga. You remember the funny video that was going around?
Well, who can I say? What is song is who have the keys to your bimmer? Have you ever found the keys to your bimmer?
Oh!
That's funny.
teenagers.
I don't think it's teenagers.
No.
They're teenagers.
How do you spell Bima?
They're teenagers like.
Okay.
How we gonna say this so we can't spell
I
Bima?
feel like B-I-M-M-E-R.
It's B-E-A-M?
They're on
Beamer?
Instagram right now.
Weird. Why autocorrecting the ones?
This is my doggy. Come say hi.
Nobody no wants to know dog. And Jamaican people watch this now.
Hey doggy.
What's that?
Dog doesn't even like that much.
Where the keys emoji at? You got the keys. Alright. Today is Jamil's birthday. Happy birthday, everybody, down in the comments. So Jamil, happy birthday. Aries gang. Well, hot.
Who
Bye.
next?
Alright, bye.
Give me a celebrity, Jamil. Jamaican.
Yeah.
Oh, Prince Pine.
Prince Pine. Am I going to respond?
I feel like him more for respondents, Vice.
Prince Bang?
Yeah, what was about him?
Him
I
about
mean, you
for
watch
something?
yeah, wait, what? You know enough about Prince Band?
I don't eat
Prince
this.
Bang?
Oh, I ate this.
I'm always wear underwear. I'm always wear underwear. Like
Alone. Ask him where we can buy the underwear with the hole in. That's not funny.
Nah, bruh.
That's not funny.
Nah, bruh.
Not funny.
Nah.
You have nothing better?
No, but that's not funny neither.
It's so good to actually answer. It's not like they have anything better to do. Welcome to Jamaica. We interrupt this program.
Wow. My phone on
Who
11.
next? Who next? Let's see.
God, got more tobacco juice.
Can it sound like what was the inspiration behind Delamour? Something like Quiet Perry.
Quiet Perry.
Yeah,
I'm not saying my guys from that. Let's see. Well, maybe.
I don't know, you can do something. What's the app now?
It's at the Jamaica app.
You open the fan? Small fan.
Yes.
No, but the fan don't give the
Can put it back and then open the door.
Thanks, Nini. Our assistant director. Nini.
Alright.
Don't make my channel, you know.
Link her channel below.
We'll link, okay, down below you'll see Danine's channel. Make sure you go and watch her videos and support her and leave a like, comment, and share, of course. And Danine is young, so please be respectful of her videos and her topic choice.
Thank you.
Alright, Quiet Perry. Mr. Perry. Mr. Perry. Why? Mr. Perry.
No, so every time I stop the phone,
It's just hard to... what we are gonna say? Am I gonna say you don't have AC? No. Mr. Perry, what we're going to Quiet Perry now? What funny? You
know more about him. You watch all them videos.
I don't watch all of them.
Well, you watch definitely more than me. That fan heavy though. That fan like low.
They both using their fan.
Alright, Carrie. You can manage that?
Yeah.
I don't know what else. You have to understand, cause like Quiet Perry has this thing going on where he's like, you fix me. When I'm not continue with that stuff.
Thank you, sweetie. Or if the extension can. That cool.
See then.
Okay. Well,
ooh, let's see Rush Cam.
I was gonna say him.
What I gonna say? Cause him not even message me back.
Why him call himself Rush Cam?
I don't know. Oh. That's like.
What we really don't want that too. That's a real question.
What you call it? Alright, and just to let you guys know, if you
all the way through a candlelight.
There's so much going on in this video. There's background noise. There's
Okay,
us
there's
getting
that Michael
home. There's the fan in the background so hot. All right, next person.
Where's the replay?
Quiet Perry and
What him say?
Prince Pine. Cause I said, you know how we did the you fix me.
Him say.
We did that, and then I told him upload some more videos soon, and he's like coming right up.
I'm saying instantly too, because as soon as I send it, him just
5:19 and 5:20. I got a response.
famous.
I don't even need a red
Kim Kardashian.
Right. Alright, who else? Can we do ding dong? Jamil, since you dance, can we do ding dong? Oh, for send to ding dong.
They can't teach me how to
Put in
what the newest dance.
inside. Talk about inside.
Inside. Oh, the new dance. Inside.
No, it's not a dance.
Oh,
It's a
what
song.
cousin?
What's that we do? Inside.
Can say,
That's it.
can't
Make sure you're inside, you know.
Go on.
Wait, so you can't teach me? Who been getting responses though? Who been getting responses? I you get the Prince Pine and I
no,
get
but
the
I
Swipe
told you
Parent.
to
Yeah.
message Prince Pine.
Yeah, true.
I can dance on my clothes.
How do you do it?
I wish I got you
Alright, Chumma should emphasize the inside, but that's alright. Alright, who's next? Who's next? Who's next? Which other celebrities? I know I have Mega
How much?
what's your name? Assassin.
Agent Sassy.
Oh, Agent Sasko? Yeah.
He's so respectful, man.
Look, Javalani
So the
already
rest of the
responded
night-
to me before. What should I say?
Who him?
Javalani?
Oh,
Should
yeah,
I
I
know
know
Ja-
him.
He responded back to me before.
What
I
did he say?
don't know, I'm gonna put it this time.
Hi. How's the weather?
Move, man. You know, see how them respond back to my good tweets, them my good response. Can't give nothing lame.
I'm seeing page. Get some inspiration.
Wait. I got one for you, Javalani. I got one for you. Got one for you. Oh, all my shoes them there, the upper one. I would have put on my Clarks because it's the thing about Clarks.
You should buy me a Clarks now. I ain't say she a gold digger.
She ain't messing with no broke. Alright, what would you say?
How much for your Clarks? Mr. Clark. How much for your Clarks?
Me no want to send that. Move, man. I get the responses.
Okay.
Alright, let's see.
I don't give my response now, so if you don't want to put it, then find something else.
Don't you want to dance? I can dance at Michael Jackson.
Give me a try.
Move now. I don't know. Tashana's not impressed.
Send it. Alright, who
Whatever.
are the next?
Yeah, who would do next? Your pick. I'm on 6%, so I gotta move quickly. And we're recording for 20 minutes, 23.
Who next? Then you know that,
Who did I have on the thumbnail? I have Shensia with the Shensia with the spice. We do popcorn. We do the Vybz kartel yet.
or Movado.
Oh, yeah, like Vybz kartel, they get back your phone yet?
Why would I play even with you, right? Blink twice. If yes.
Alright.
Movado.
Alright, what am I gonna say to Mavado?
How's the gully?
Oh yeah, that's the one. Right, really?
Mavado, is the gully side really clean enough for Corona right now?
Yeah, that's my
I don't know. I'm pulling these from my bottom.
Oh, you know the the watch. Does he have a
And then him.
no that one that's a fan page? Mavada have an Instagram? It don't look so.
Anyways,
See there. David Brooks.
you
They
still
have
live
a
on the
gully
gully side. I think you
side.
still live on gully side.
The world would want to know.
You still live on the other
Don't do
side?
that, Tommy. Sorry.
The world would want to know.
I don't need anybody to say in the comments how these are so boring. If you can do better, let me know what you would have said down in the comment section.
Or catch these hands.
Yeah, or catch these hands. Alright? Alright, who's next? She's a cringe. Who's next?
You want to message the Miss World girl?
Yeah, come on.
You want to message the Miss girl? Tony.
Some YouTubers, I message them. Who else? People must board in because Quite Perry and Prince Pine really responded back so quick.
Right? Like, please,
Too
don't tell
quick.
everyone this.
Who else was
Oh, we said we're going to message like protege people.
yeah.
So
Lila,
that's
can we
one.
message Lila Ike? What was I say?
Your last photo shoot was so bomb. Shashante back.
We're good enough. We're good. We're good in those streets.
Some love. Coffee.
Coffee come in like a raps and be like,
Hey,
writing money.
Oh, got 3 responses so
We
far.
got 3.
That's good.
We're up there. Famous.
We can say coffee.
Marie.
Coffee, are you bring the rapture come to Jamaica?
Oh, it's a funny goodie. Alright, coffee come in like a
Malik could never.
right. Be like Corona come in like a rapture. And coffee
Wait,
get
say that
capture.
first and then the second one, Corona come in like a rapture.
Alright.
Me say?
Are you
Bring the rapture?
bring the rapture
To Jamaica.
to Jamaica? Should I say a Jamaica or to Jamaica?
To Jamaica.
Yeah.
Okay, I'm seeing some artists now.
Corona come in like a rapture.
I mean, Sean Paul too. I guess. Oh, wanna do with name?
Are you bring the rapture to Jamaica? Corona come in like a rapture.
Yes,
And
yes.
everybody get captured.
No, just leave it.
Alright. Okay.
What name?
No, if Coffee respond, the video
Don't
done.
respond to nobody.
The
so
video
we'll see.
done. The video gonna end right there, so just know that.
If copy respond, me
The
a
video-
message her right now. I'm
Eh.
gonna demand a response.
But should I get one? My name carry weight now. Alright, what? Who now? Alkaline?
Yeah.
My name's Self.
Me here say catch Corona, true? I'm not answer that. Who else? I wish we'd like 2 more.
Yeah. Or let's do 3 more.
3 more. You want to end the video. Let's do 3 more.
Jason Razor White just responded back and said, LOL, what you mean? LOL, watch that video.
So 4 people respond.
Emily responded. Jason.
He's a YouTuber?
Mm-hmm.
Which you want like message Tati? Oh, the YouTuber? Officially?
Oh, Tanania?
Oh.
Come here, sir. Oh, name Tati.
I don't watch much YouTube.
Tanania.
Tanania.
Boy, good body to Nanya. No, I'm gonna bed.
Oh, she's seen my things. Who am I see Caesar? I just love her. Look at Caesar's dog though. Alright, who else? Let's do 2 good ones that will feel like my answer.
Yeah.
That really feel my answer.
Who?
Someone who's high key but low key.
Alright, who's that?
I
Let me send one to Ibi. Who? Is another YouTuber. Okay, did I spell that wrong? I think I did. It's gonna be a while. What's his name? If what's his name would put ginger. Can you put ginger? That look like ginger.
No, but you look uneducated. Well, you would look uneducated.
Shut up. Anyways,
Who else again?
we're going to Lali, Short and Tolly.
Let's go put back the front way. They don't know me not get none.
Go with the Lali, Short and Tolly, Lali, Kambali.
What the girl say?
Everybody be seeing my shit. Like, can't you? I mean, my stuff. Can't you respond back to me?
I think nobody sees my stuff because I never tag them in anything.
Yeah.
I'm gonna start tag people in things.
I got unseen, dude.
I like tag people at the weekend who will never see me.
There we go.
Yeah.
Mega say it's short or tall.
What's it, Shade?
From a song.
What's it?
From a song.
Who else? I'm not sure if I somebody.
I'm going to find 2%, I'll have to hurry.
Alright, one last person.
Alright, let's see. Some of these are so terrible, but next time we'll do a part 2 and we'll try to be much better.
I thought mine was cool.
Anyways,
Who else we doing?
who are we doing?
Who's funny?
And we'll come over here and bother with you. Anyways. Who now? Who we going to?
Fine. Your face not fit you, but God usually grants everybody with good face.
Say hi. Wanna ask?
Set the link.
Yo! Set the link. He said LOL at first.
Usain Bolt?
Oh my
No,
god.
we don't know.
We don't know athlete. You're right. Our career.
Yeah.
Mila, I can say thank you. This video shell.
We get no response.
This video shell. Anyways, come on, we'll work on this y'all. It actually came in at the perfect time because I just started recording it. Anyways, you'll see when you watch this video.
Who's that?
Another Jamaican YouTuber, Trouble Link.
Hello.
At this point,
Funny.
ding.
Now we're going to Tammy Williams. She's a Jamaican model.
They're gonna be like, how your phone went from 1% to 3%? Tammy.
I think it's an I.
Who like me? Oh. Shout out to my subscribers for always supporting me wherever I am.
You want to do a live after this?
Yes, let's definitely do live. Yeah. What we're gonna say to her? How tall are you? How y'all are you?
How tall are you? And you can just say a compliment. P.S. You're beautiful. Stay safe. Something nice.
Here we go. Alright guys, so that was the last one. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. My dear cousin Shauna and Danine behind the camera. So like I said, we definitely would love.
Why didn't message me back? Who didn't message me? I'm gonna message nobody.
Anyways. So we're gonna definitely do a part 2, maybe with some just international celebrities this time to see.
Wait for the DMs to be dry.
Right. Cricket noises. Yeah, you did too much. So make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. And if you want to do me an even huger favor, make sure you go and at some of these celebrities, share the links, like go to your Instagram, go to your Twitter, go to your Facebook, and send them the link to this video. And also leave some Jamaican celebrities or famous Jamaican people that I didn't mention in the video down below. Let's see if we can do a part 2 for Jamaican celebrities. So thank you guys.
Stay safe.
Bye. Definitely stay safe. Bye.
Bye.